So this is the little case I keep it on. Alright, for the keys. Sounds like this. And you just put this part to the, you add this part here to the edge of the hole. You tighten it, then you put it on in the ground. It inflates right here. And you can use the strand to tighten it to make it tighter or wider to keep it airy. It also came with a bang, like a little bang to put to the front. And there it is.
The best hair dryer ever. You control the heat, and it does an excellent job. It does exactly what it says it does, and even more. I love it. Thank you. I love this here. I will order again, and it's drying my hair right now. And I recommend you all to get this. You're gonna love it. Thanks, Amazon.